Welcome to iMovie video tutorial number 9. In this video, we're going to talk about titles. You use titles anytime you want to add text over your video. With titles, you can find them in my titles panel, and you can see all the different examples here, and you can scrub over them to see what kind of movement or what kind of effects they have. If you want to drop one in your video, you just click on it, drag it, and drop it into your timeline. Now, titles can exist in one of three ways. They can exist on their own, which is just a transparent background with white text. Okay? They can show up above one of your videos, or they can show up above a selected background. So right now, this title is in my primary timeline. All right, and I can click on each line here, and I can edit the text. And I just click over here in each box and I edit the text. So there it is in my primary timeline. It's 4 seconds long. Not really anything too interesting about it. Another thing I can have it do is I can put it above my video. And what I do is I just lift it from my primary timeline. I lift it up and drop it right on top of my own video. So it looks like this. Another thing I can do, I'm going to go ahead and undo that, is I can put it above a background. Now in backgrounds I have, different things to choose from. Curtain, organic, blobs, and underwater all have a little bit of movement to them that you can see if you just kind of scrub over them a little bit. All of the rest of these backgrounds are static. So the globes over here can show like where you're at in relation to the world, the entire globe. So if I wanted to choose, for example, let's go with this paper background, and you can double click it to add it to your timeline. All right, or you can drag and drop it. It all kind of works the same. All right, do that. So my title now I'm going to put above my paper background. Now with my title, if I double click on it, notice I can change the font, I can change the size, I can change its orientation, whether it's centered, left justified, right justified. I can make it bold, make it italicized, or I can make it outlined in like a darker color there, just so it shows up a little bit better. So if I want to reset any of these, I just click reset, and if I'm done editing, I just hit the check mark. So there's a very basic overview of titles and backgrounds. I'm going to go ahead and create my own title, and then I'll come back in the next video and we'll talk about video effects.